Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Maps and immediately turn on GPS and set the app language to English or Chinese letter, so place names match local signage. Next, download an offline area for your city to avoid roaming charges and ensure routing works without data. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi assist and mobile data are available and plug in a power bank if a long day is planned. Now type your first destination in Romaji or Japanese and press directions to begin routing. You now select the travel mode that fits: transit for trains, driving for car, walking for short hops, or biking where allowed. For transit, pick a recommended route, then inspect transfer stations, platform info, and exact departure times so you avoid missed trains. Once you choose, check fare and duration to compare rapid express trains versus local lines. Make sure you know if a reserved seat is needed, and whether an IC card will simplify transfers and fare pay. You save key stops to your saved list and download any remaining offline tiles for the final leg. This prevents surprises underground. Next, tap share to send your ETA to others and enable voice guidance so you keep eyes on the road or platform. Finally, if directions glitch, toggle offline mode, refresh the map, re-enter the address in Japanese or Romaji, and restart the app. Often that clears stale data and restores accurate routing, especially near complex stations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.